So this is Basa fillet for supper. And I put some apple instead of pineapple chunks. And it's so good. And my kids like it, but my husband doesn't like it at all. And then we're gonna put a little bit of rice, but for me, because I'm doing only like calorie deficit, I'm gonna have a few bites. Then after eating, we're gonna go to the park and play. So I don't know how you guys gonna cook your. I cook it with a cornstarch and together with seasonings and a lot of herbs. And it depends on you what you really want, but I really like it this way. And it's so good with basmati rice or anything in white rice. But this is a good protein, you know what I mean? It's a good protein that you can eat. It's a white fish. But if you have an allergy, then you don't have to. Okay, this is a short video and it's been a while. And thank you for subscribing. And have a good night and have a good day on the other side. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.